Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 7.5 Multiple Choice Question number 1. A curved surface area of the right circular cone of height 15 centimeter and base diameter is 16. Here, question number 1. R equal 8 centimeter and H equal 15 centimeter, then slant height L equal square root of R squared plus H squared equal 8 square plus 15 square equal 64 plus 225, 64 plus 225, which is 289, which is equal 17 centimeter. Now curved surface area pi RL is pi into R is 8, L is 17. 17 into 8 is 136 pi square centimeters. So the option is 136 pi. Option 4. Question number 2. If two solid hemispheres of same base or units are joined together along their bases, then the curved surface area of the new solid. A new solid become a whole sphere. So curved surface area of whole sphere is 4 pi r squared. The option is 1. Question number 3. The height of a right circular cone whose radius is 5 and the slant height is 13 centimeter will be the height. H equal square root of the height of the right circular cone and slant height, that is 13 squared minus L squared minus R squared. 5 square, L squared is 169, R squared is 25, which is equal square root of 144 is 12 centimeter. So option 1. Question number 4. The radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is halved, keeping the same height. Then the ratio of the volume of the cylinder thus obtained to the volume of the original cylinder is. Here we have to find V2. Question number 4. V2 is the volume of the second cylinder is pi. The radius is halved, that is R by 2 square. Height is same, which gives pi R squared H by 4. Already V1 is pi R squared H. Therefore V2 by V1 is V2, therefore V2 by V1 is pi R squared H by 4 pi R squared H, then which gives 1 by 4. Therefore V2 ratio V1 is 1 ratio 4. So option 2. Question number 4, option 2. Now question number 5. The total surface area of the cylinder whose radius is 1/3 of its height is. Here radius is h by 3 because 1/3 of its height. Radius is h by 3. They are asking about the total surface area of the cylinder. TSA of the cylinder is TSA of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. 2 pi r h plus r, that is 2 pi r is h by 3 and h plus h by 3, which is equal to 2 pi h by 3 3 4h by 3, which is 4 2s are 8 pi h squared by 9, 4 pi h squared by 9, 4 pi h squared by option 3. Question number 6. In a halo cylinder, the sum of the external and internal radii are 14 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter. If its height is 20 centimeter, find the volume of the material used. The halo cylinder, the sum of the external and internal radii, here r plus r, sum of external and internal radii r plus r is, question number 6, r plus r is 14. Let us give some space for this. Now r plus r is 14 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter and height is 90 centimeter. 14 centimeter, the width is 4 centimeter, the height is 20 centimeter, not 90. Height is 20 centimeter. Then height is 20 centimeter. Then volume equal pi r squared minus r squared h. So pi is pi, r, that r squared now say pi into r squared minus r squared, you can write r plus r into r minus r into h. Pi r plus r is 14 given, and r minus r, what is the thickness, this is 4 h. Then h is 20, so pi into 14 into 4 is 56 into 20, 0 0 2 6 are 12, 1 carries, 2 5s are 10, 11, 1 1 2 0. Therefore answer is 1 1 2 0 pi centimeter square. Question number 6. 11200 11 11 is not pi, is 1120 only, so option is 2. Here question number 7. If the radius of the base of the cone is tripled and the height is doubled, then the volume is, here volume of the cone, original cone, suppose V1 equal 1 by 3 pi r squared h, V2 is 1 by 3, they are saying radius of the base cone is tripled, that is 1 by 3 pi 3 r squared, and double, then triple cone is tripled and height is doubled, 2h, that is 1 by 3 pi 9 r squared into 2 become 3, so 3 into 6 pi r squared. Now here, now put 1 by 3 as it is, pi into 9 into 9 to r squared h. So which gives 18 times. So h is 9 into 1 by 3 pi r squared h into 18. So this 18 times it's increased. Made 18 times. Now question number 8. The total surface area of the hemisphere is how much times the square of its radius? Question number 8. The TSA of the hemisphere is 3 pi r squared, and 3 pi r squared, and here they are saying how much it's bigger than square of the radius. The square of the radius is 3 pi times more. So answer is 3. It's 3 times more. 3 pi times more, because 3 pi more than 3 times 3 pi times r squared. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.